The San Gabriel River is now resting comfortably this morning, and that is certainly good news. It crested yesterday at about 12:30.
Now, was it 24 feet over the flooding level? Is that
when it crested?
Yeah.
33.
33 feet,
33.
okay.
So it was higher than the original forecast, which was 29.7, but it went a little bit higher than that because the torrent of water just kept coming and coming and coming. But it quickly, once the rain tapered and then ended, then it just came down rapidly, and it had fallen below flood stage during the evening. So the flood warning was canceled because there was no longer a need for it.
Yeah.
All right.
Still pretty wild, though.
Oh, indeed it was. And we continue to have a couple of river flood warnings for the San Saba River at San Saba and the Colorado River near San Saba. The San Saba River flows into the Colorado River, which then empties on into Lake Buchanan. So there'll be more of a rise at Buchanan here in the next several days. But first things first, a flash flood warning remains for Mason County until 9 o'clock, and that part of the county shaded in red, but we see that mostly light rain continues to fall from Mason south and southwestward and westward as well. There are a few brief pockets of heavy rain in the southern and the western parts of the county. We'll continue to watch this for you. I'm just thinking that the Weather Service in San Angelo, which handles Mason County, may allow this warning to cancel out before its expiration time of 9 o'clock. And then you see that rain still in San Saba County. It's kind of holding together here. Not much else is going on. A few isolated to scattered showers in parts of Travis, Williamson, Hayes, and Blanco counties. Flood threat today is a level 2 out of 4 for the western and central parts of the hill country. It's a 1 out of 4 from the eastern hill country, nosing into sections of western Williamson, Travis, and northwestern Hayes counties. And then tomorrow, it's a level 1 out of 4 because, yes, there is still rain in the forecast for Monday. Flood watch continues for nearly the entire area. Milam County, handled by the Fort Worth Weather Service office, not under the watch. But for most of our viewing area, those counties handled by our Weather Service office in New Braunfels until 1 o'clock this afternoon. San Saba, Mason counties until 7 o'clock, and Fort Lampasas County also handled by Fort Worth, in effect until later on this evening. So here we go with the showers and thunderstorms that will start increasing as we get further into the morning. Most of this from 35 westward. We see a little bit of this rain spilling east of I-35 across parts of Bastrop, Lee, eastern Williamson counties by 5 o'clock, but the potential is there still for some heavy downpours in those areas that are shaded in the reds and the pinks. Rain tapers, the aerial coverage decreases. We drop into the evening hours and overnight, and then we'll see another round of showers and thunderstorms on Monday. I may have to increase the probability from 20 to 30%, and then I think we're rain free on Monday night. Rain totals of about a ½ inch to an inch on top of what we've already had. Some of the numbers out at Mason, Llano, Fredericksburg, that may be just a tad too high. We're watching this system in the, well, it's onshore right now. This is Chantal, born a few days ago, winds at 50 miles per hour. Chantal's path will take it on from South Carolina through North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland, D.C., but it weakens by Monday down to an area of low pressure. And our highs today will be mostly 80s, low to mid 80s from the hill country to the interstate, mid and upper 80s to a few in the low 90s, where there won't be as much rain today across Bastrop, Lee, Caldwell, and Fayette counties. 60% chance of rain today. Will go with a high of 87, and then low rain chances Monday, Tuesday. Highs return to the lower 90s, mid to upper 90s Wednesday to Saturday.